Most people approach investing completely backwards. They chase the flashiest strategies first and lose money wondering why. Here's the truth. Building wealth isn't complicated. You just need to know the right move for your stage. This is the three-phase wealth ladder from your first $100 to a millionaire's portfolio. Here's what no one tells you. The strategy that protects your first $1,000 will actually hurt you at $100,000. Financial advice is polarized. Some say buy crypto. Some say buy real estate. They're both right, but they're talking to different versions of you. The wealth ladder tells you which phase you're in and exactly what to do about it. Phase 1 is where most people get stuck, not because they don't have money, but because they're chasing the wrong thing. Picture your friend. He finally has some extra cash from his paycheck, and he starts tracking individual stocks, hunting for the perfect moment to buy. Some months he wins, most months he loses, and slowly he goes broke. Here's the hard truth. Timing the market is a losing game, always. Obsessing over which crypto to pick, which 401k fund is optimal, or which savings account has 0.1% more interest. That's feeling busy while staying poor. At this stage, your only job is this: start. Anywhere. Just start. Now, here's where it gets interesting, because phase 2 is where 90% of people get lazy, and it costs them years. You've got some money now, time to make it work harder than you do. 2 moves, that's it. Move 1, high-yield savings account. This isn't investing, it's protecting. You need 3 to 6 months of expenses sitting liquid and earning interest, not rotting in a regular checking account doing nothing. Move 2, automate into index funds. Index funds spread your money across hundreds of companies at once. One bad stock barely affects you. One company explodes in value, you benefit automatically. This is the core engine of your portfolio. Stop trying to micro-optimize every decision. The people who win at this stage are the ones who automate and stop watching. Quick pause. If this is clicking for you, hit like. It tells YouTube to show this to more people who need it. Okay, back to the ladder. Phase 3 is the one most financial creators avoid because it's not sexy, but it's where real wealth actually gets built. Here's the uncomfortable truth. You cannot index fund your way to extreme wealth quickly. At this stage, the game changes completely. The wealthiest investors don't obsess over picking the best fund. They obsess over making better decisions. Better decisions grow your income. More income lets you buy into the most powerful wealth-building asset ever, real estate. Here's how top investors actually allocate a $75,000 plus portfolio. 70% goes into real estate, primarily rental properties that generate monthly cash flow. 20% stays in index funds, your foundation, still quietly compounding. 10% sits in cash reserves, dry powder waiting to strike on opportunities. And no more than 2% goes into speculative assets like crypto, strictly capped. This is not the engine. The biggest secret no one tells you? Your strategy has to evolve with you. You start with index funds to protect your money. You end up investing in your own decision-making to multiply it. So, here's your one action step today. Figure out which rung you're on and focus only on that phase. If this resonated with you, share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear your story. And if you want more honest, practical financial advice without the hype, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. See you in the next one.